So we do have, this is the Peter Max. This car is valuable. It's not worth a ton, probably like 50 bucks, but the one that you want is the truck. I think the truck, the hauler, like the big Peter Max, it's like $150. Like, it's just a really good find. It's probably one of the more higher dollar Dale Earnhardt cars. So it's definitely one you want to find, and it's not a car, it's a truck. So we'll go ahead and put this one in there. Those are the ones I'm probably going to focus on first. Then we have the Army one. This one has some value too. I'm going to put, bing, I'm going to put those, I'm like, bing. I'm going to put that there. I make my own sound effects, guys. I'm going to put them up in the corner to show you guys the value of these cars. Just give you a little close-up of this car. I'm not going to open them, and we're just not going to get into all that. But this is the... this is the Dale, or this is the Army. I don't know, limited edition. I'm not sure. Maybe. This is the Dale Earnhardt number 30 Army 1976 Chevy Malibu. So this is a really, really cool car. Hopefully the photo that I can show you guys is definitely going to give you, you know, a better idea of this car. That's another good one right there. Then of course we have the BAM. We have the Wrangler. The Wrangler car is one of the most sought after cars. Let me see if I can show you, if I can give you a, I can't really show you what it looks like, but it is this color. It's blue and yellow. You can't miss it. It's a bright blue and yellow car. It is the Wrangler car, and it is definitely sought after. It sells right away. Within a couple weeks, maybe, of you even having it listed, you're gonna get watchers right away on it. It's just a very collectible car. So, I don't know how I delved into this Dale Earnhardt stuff so much. And then we have this one. This one is just a plain Good Wrench Service Plus. There's nothing really crazy good about this car. This is only like a $25 car. I tried a lot of mine. I just take offers on because there's going to be a lot of them that are just, they're just going to sit and I have to move them. So I definitely have to take offers. Let me shut this door over here, guys. This big. I don't want all of that. And then this one is a Brookfield Collectors Guild. I'm going to show you this one, guys, because this one is really, really. This one is just the Corvette. I can't find this car. Hopefully I'll do a little bit more research. I do have one of these Brookfield Collectors Guilds. There is another bigger set of this one that sells for about $150. I think I have the bigger one. It's the trailer, the car. It's like a whole big set. And it hasn't sold yet, but it will. I'm not going to take shorts on it. I know it's a higher dollar, more collectible piece. And I'm definitely going to sit around and wait for the right buyer. Sometimes you have to wait for that right buyer. You can't just take shorts on an item because you want to sell it and move it. My opinion, that's really messing up the market. It's lowering the dollar amount on some of your items, like on other people's items as well. So if you see something that's consistently selling for $80, then maybe you should sit around and wait for it to sell for $80. Now, I understand in the real world that's not, that's just not the case. A lot of people are willing to just, move their items and sell them faster because they're just not that attached to them. But other people are. This is the Coca-Cola car. This is only like a $25 car. That one's not worth a ton. And then we're not really going to get into a bunch of this other stuff. Okay. Oops. Did it break? It broke. Yes, it did. And these aren't worth that much, so I'm glad it wasn't anything like really high dollar amount. These are just the little Dale Earnhardt. The lid on the bottom wasn't shut all the way, and when I lifted it up, it just kind of went with all of them. So this one is a good old bear. These don't have a ton of value. They're not really worth much. That's why I'm not really worried about it. It's not a big deal that it fell. I really don't care. They take forever to sell, and they don't sell for much. The motorcycles the choppers are the ones that sell really fast. They're the ones that you want. I think these are a Hamilton collection. And we got this stopwatch. I'll show you guys. I'm going to have to put a battery in it. It is made by the Hamilton Collection. I can't find it. I can find one from Danbury Mint, but not this one. It's obviously, it's going to need a new battery, but a lot of times these Dale Earnhardt watches, they do very well. This one actually has like a coin on the front of it. It's kind of like it's actually a coin. That's what it looks like. Does it have like it has this serrated sides or whatever that's called, like a regular, like a dime or a quarter. But, so yeah, we should do okay with that. Like I said, that is Danbury Mint, or not Danbury Mint, that's Hamilton Collection. So, we're going to go through these real quick. These are all the training sets. I think there was more, but there's some here. This one is the Wrangler. I don't know why is the Wrangler one in there? I think this is like a bunch of sets. Let me put this down real quick and see. I think this is part of... This is just all different. Yeah, Mike Curb, Dale Earnhardt. Yeah, this is just like a bunch. I don't know if this is supposed to be like this, if this is a mixed set. I'm not sure. I'll probably have to do a little bit of research on that and see what the deal is on that. Then we have the Atlanta. We have this set. And we have two Wheaties sets. We have this one, and this one is in plastic. It's not like factory tape, but I don't know if they're different. 7-piece train set. They may be different. That one says Wheaties, good wrench, so I'm guessing that it is. That one's really cool. That one has the cars. That one's dope. So we'll see. See what they sell for. Hopefully we can make some decent money off of them train sets. And then we have, this one is the Bass Pro Shop. It's like, I think it's gold. That's like, I think they call it chrome. Then we have a Coca-Cola car. This one is, I'm not really sure. I'm guessing that's the one right there. And we have that one. And then we have a couple more. I think I'm going to put the Coca-Cola ones together because they don't sell for a ton. But I see people listing both of them for like $40. So if I get $30 for both of them, I'd be happy with that. This is the Wheaties car. This one always does well. Not as good as the Wrangler one, but I should expect to get at least probably like $30 for this one. Something like that. So we'll see. And then there's just like a ton of... There's a bunch of knives. These are all Dale Earnhardt knives. There's 3 here. I think there's 1 or 2 other sets that are in a box set like this. But anyway, guys, that's all we have. That's all I have to show you. I'm all out of stuff. I can't believe that I got that much stuff today. It's absolutely amazing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's like, there's 8 boxes of stuff. So everything's organized. Everything is clean. Because while I did that throughout the process, I made sure that I cleaned everything. This stuff was dusty and dirty, and it's ready to go now. It's ready for me just to pull it out of the box, take the photos, and list the items. I'm going to get the coins listed tonight. I'm going to take a break and play my PlayStation. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the thumbs up button and hit the notification bell down below. Thanks for watching.